Kings of Crunch, Series 8, 1984 Chevrolet Silverado, SAMSON 1. Here are the other trucks in this series. Please hit the pause button to read which trucks are in this series. Here comes SAMSON 1 up top of the cars. In 1983, Don Maples created SAMSON, and then later on, Dan Patrick came along in 1988. He bought the truck and he owns it now, and it's been around for a very long time. Of course, this is before the 3D arm design in the front of the truck, but let's go ahead and take a look at this beauty of SAMSON 1 back in the day. Let's take a look at the graphics of SAMSON 1 and the body design of this truck back in the day. Back here they have a United States Hot Rod Association sticker. It does say SAMSON 1, and then the old school picture design of SAMSON. I wanted to show you a close shot, the graphic of SAMSON on the side of the truck. And then in the front, there we go. Up top here it says 4x4x4. Another picture of SAMSON. Does have the roll bar and the lights up above. And then on the other side what it looks like. And then on the back, here on the back of the tailgate of SAMSON, it has the name of the truck, and then it says strongest of them all, and 4x4x4, and it also says Chevrolet on the tailgate there. This ends the unboxing and review of SAMSON 1. Thank you for tuning in.